welcome to Student Vlog. I'm joined again by Holly Fox.
Yay!
Today we are going to make chocolate mug cake. You will need 2 tablespoons of butter or spread, 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of Cadbury's drinking chocolate, 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour, 2 tablespoons of water, and of course a mug and some tablespoons. Next, we're going to get our spread and take 2 tablespoons. We are then going to put this in the microwave for about 20 seconds until all the butter is melted. Until it looks like this.
What odds on you drinking that melted butter?
0 to 30.
Alright.
1, 2, 3,
25.
Oh wait, 30. Can you do it again? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 13.
Oh. Now we need to add the 4 tablespoons of sugar. So it looks like this. 2 tablespoons of chocolate powder. So it looks like this.
Next, we're going to add the 4 tablespoons of flour. And it's going to look a little something like this. And the last step is to add 2 tablespoons of water. And it should turn out like this. A little bit runny but quite thick. Next, we're going to put this in the microwave for about 30 to 40 seconds until you can see that it's risen, but it's not hard, it's still quite gooey on the top. And this is the finished product, guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and enjoy your chocolate mug cake.
Eat lots of it.